After a 3-hour bus ride from Skopje, North Macedonia, we finally arrived in Prizren, Kosovo. The bus ticket only cost about $10 a person, and this hotel only cost us $20 a night. The hotel was clean and had everything we needed, and it was in the main touristy area. Unfortunately, we only had until tomorrow afternoon until we had to take a bus back to Albania. It wasn't even a day trip, but we wanted to squeeze it in because the pictures look beautiful online. We had a little bad luck as it was raining all night. Thankfully, we had our umbrellas from Ohrid, so we still walked around and made the most of our time here. This little alley had these small boutiques and restaurants. I thought it was really cool. After about a minute's walk, we were already at the famous stone bridge. Built around the late 15th century, this Ottoman-era pedestrian bridge connects the main square to the other half of the city. Everybody takes their picture with the bridge in the background, including me. I didn't really know what to expect of Prizren, besides the fact that it was really picturesque. I like the Old Town a lot. We didn't see any tourists in our short time here, but it obviously could have been due to the rain. The Gatsby restaurant was beautiful, and although we didn't eat there, I definitely plan to stop there the next time I visit Kosovo again. We decided to grab something quick, and we found this gem. The doner was so good, and it only cost about $2 or $3 each. I thought Shein was only an online retailer before this trip. We saw one in Tirana as well. I don't know if it was legit, but I thought it was pretty funny and cool to see one in person. Right around the corner we found the only bar playing music. It was a cool spot. They had an upstairs and a downstairs, but we didn't check it out. This place had a bunch of kids that looked no older than 16, so we distanced ourselves. The next morning, we woke up early and left the hotel at 9. Our bus to Albania was at 11:30, so we had 2 hours to walk around and grab food. Walking by the river, this small city seemed very peaceful and quiet. The air was fresh and the streets were clean. This is for sure a safe place to travel with family or even by yourself. It wasn't always like this though. Like I mentioned in my last video in Skopje, Kosovo was once a part of a larger country called Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia consisted of the following countries: Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, North Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, and Kosovo. Once those countries began gaining their independence in 1991, Kosovo was still technically a part of Serbia. Ethnic Albanian leaders began to govern that land, with only Albania recognizing Kosovo at that time. From February 1998 to June 1999, the Kosovo War took place between the ethnic Albanians and ethnic Serbs. Around 10,000 people died and nearly 1 million ethnic Albanians were forcibly displaced, creating a massive humanitarian crisis. Serbia was accused of ethnic cleansing, which led to NATO bombing Serbian troops. From 1999 to 2008, Kosovo was under the interim administration of the United Nations, and as of February 17, 2008, Kosovo gained its independence, making it Europe's youngest country. America is highly regarded in Kosovo, but Bill Clinton in particular is deeply revered. Clinton led NATO in the 78-day bombing campaign against Serbia, and then put US and NATO troops in Kosovo to support the transition of independence. In Pristina, the capital, there's currently a statue of Bill Clinton on Bill Clinton Boulevard. That's just the very basics of that conflict, and it's still very controversial till this day, as Serbia does not recognize Kosovo. I don't know much about the conflict, so don't kill me in the comments, just teach me. The major religion in Kosovo is Islam, with over 90% of the population being Muslim. The Sinan Pasha Mosque is an Ottoman-era mosque built in 1615. It's one of about 40 mosques in Prizren and is certainly the most popular one here. A couple of famous celebrities with ties to Kosovo are Dua Lipa and Rita Ora. Dua Lipa was born to Kosovan Albanian parents and actually lived in the capital once Kosovo gained independence from age 11 to 15. In July 2025, she was granted Kosovo citizenship. Rita Ora was also born in the capital, but her family fled ethnic persecution when she was 1 and resettled in the UK. Overall, Prizren was a cute little city. I wish I could have spent at least 2 days here to give a better review and best guide people wanting to come here. It's definitely worth coming here. When I come back, I definitely want to check out the fortress that's overlooking the city. I'd also like to check out Pristina as well. If you traveled here or live here, please leave a comment and let's just talk. This is the website that I use to buy bus tickets so I could travel throughout the Balkans. I'll leave the link in the description. Stay tuned for the next video as I'll be heading back to Tirana to end this Balkan trip. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all be easy.